What if I told you that the gas you're pumping right now could be slowly destroying your engine? Not all gasoline is created equal. Some brands are loaded with low-quality additives and cheap ethanol blends. These additives can cost drivers thousands in premature engine wear, clogged injectors, and failed emissions tests. Today, we're exposing the gasoline brands you should avoid and revealing the ones that actually protect your engine. This isn't just talk, it's about real data, top-tier certification standards, and independent studies. The difference between premium and bargain fuel isn't just marketing, it's chemistry, and your engine pays the price. Either way, let's get into it. Why gas quality matters. Here's something most drivers don't know. The EPA sets a minimum standard for gasoline additives. Minimum. That means gas stations are legally allowed to sell you fuel that technically meets requirements, but does the bare minimum to protect your engine. Top-tier gasoline, on the other hand, is a voluntary standard backed by automakers like BMW, Toyota, GM, Honda, Volkswagen, and Mercedes-Benz. Top-tier fuel has 5x more detergent additives than the EPA minimum. Why does that matter? Because over time, low-quality fuel leaves carbon deposits on your intake valves and fuel injectors. And once those deposits build up, you're looking at reduced fuel economy, rough idling and engine misfires, costly injector cleanings or replacements, potential long-term engine damage. Now let's talk about who's selling you the bad stuff. Section 2. The 11 brands to avoid. Brand number 1, Murphy USA. Murphy USA operates mostly at Walmart locations and is known for offering rock-bottom prices. That price comes at a cost. Murphy USA is not top-tier certified, and Consumer Reports frequently flag inconsistent fuel quality, especially in rural locations where fuel sits in tanks longer before being sold. Brand number 2, Kroger, Fred Meyer. Fuel Center's grocery store gas stations are convenient, but Kroger's fuel centers are not top-tier certified. The detergent package in their fuel is minimal, and several independent tests have found elevated ethanol content inconsistencies. Save the fuel points for something else. Brand number 3, Quick Trip, select locations. Now this one is nuanced, and yes, this is the one I warned you about. Quick Trip is beloved for its cleanliness and service, but not all Quick Trip locations are top-tier certified. Certification can vary by region and supply chain. Always verify your specific location on the top-tier website before assuming you're getting premium quality. Brand number 4, Racetrack, is a popular Southeast chain with attractive prices. However, it is not on the top-tier certified list, and fuel quality reports from automotive forums and technician communities point to higher deposit buildup in vehicles that regularly use Racetrack gas. Brand number 5, Wawa fans, I know this hurts. Wawa is great for hoagies. Fuel? Not so much. Wawa is not top-tier certified. They source fuel from various wholesale suppliers, which means the quality can vary dramatically from fill-up to fill-up. Brand number 6, Pilot Flying J. For those of you on long hauls, it's tempting to grab fuel at Pilot Flying J. But outside of their diesel offerings for commercial trucks, their regular gasoline is not top-tier certified and has been flagged for inconsistency in additive levels. Brand number 7, Love's Travel Stops. Same story as Pilot Flying J. Fine for truckers in a pinch, but not a brand you want regularly fueling your personal vehicle. Not top-tier certified. Brand number 8, Speedway, now Marathon branded in many areas. Post-acquisition by Marathon, Speedway locations have had an inconsistent transition. Some stations now carry Marathon-branded top-tier fuel, but many do not. Without verifying your specific station, you're rolling the dice. Brand number 9, Costco Gasoline. Wait, hear me out. Costco gas is actually top-tier certified, and that's worth noting. But the long lines and the fact that fuel sits in underground tanks for extended periods at high-volume locations means there can be quality variation. For most people in most circumstances, Costco gas is fine. But it's on this list because the buying experience creates conditions for potential fuel degradation over time. Use your judgment. Brand number 10, generic, unbranded independent stations. You know the ones. No recognizable name, a price that's 30 cents cheaper than everyone else, and a pump that looks like it hasn't been updated since 1987. These stations buy fuel on the spot market and add the minimum legally required detergent packages. Avoid unless it's a genuine emergency. Brand number 11. Sunoco, Select Markets. Sunoco has a mixed reputation. In racing, their fuel is legendary. At the pump for everyday drivers, many of their consumer-grade retail locations are not top-tier certified and fuel quality varies by region. If you see Sunoco and aren't sure, check the top-tier site. The 5 brands that protect your engine now for the good news. These 5 brands are consistently top-tier certified and trusted by automotive engineers worldwide. Brand number 1. Shell's V-Power Nitro Plus is one of the most talked about premium fuels on the market. It contains nitrogen-enriched cleaning agents specifically formulated to fight deposit buildup. Shell's entire retail network is top-tier certified. BMW, Ferrari, and Porsche have all endorsed Shell fuels. This is a gold standard choice. Brand number 2, Chevron. Chevron uses its proprietary Techron additive package, one of the most studied fuel detergents in the industry. Techron is so effective that it's sold separately as a fuel system cleaner. Every drop of Chevron gas comes with it built in, widely available on the West Coast and parts of the South. Brand number 3. Mobil. ExxonMobil's Mobil branded stations carry top-tier certified gasoline with a strong additive package. Mobil is particularly well regarded in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic regions. Their premium Synergy Supreme Plus fuel adds friction-reducing additives as well, a benefit you'll feel over time. Brand for 4. BP Beyond Petroleum. BP's retail fuel consistently ranks among the best in third-party quality tests. They're top-tier certified nationwide, and their Invigorate additive formula has been shown to reduce intake valve deposits by up to 60% compared to EPA minimum standard fuel. Widely available across the country. Brand number 5, Texaco, now operating under the Chevron umbrella, also carries the Techron additive package and is fully top-tier certified. If you're in the South or Southeast and don't have a Chevron nearby, Texaco is the equivalent and just as trustworthy. Here's your action item. Go to toptiergas.com to confirm certification before your next fill-up. Treat your engine right. It'll last longer and run cleaner. If this helped, hit that like button. Until next time, drive smart.